K200 UAV operation tutorial. Open the package and take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connecting the power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect remote control. Connecting the power supply. The red light is constantly on, indicating that charging is in progress. Preparation before flight. Align the drone battery with the checkpoint for installation. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Long press to turn on the drone pilot. Tear off the screen protector film. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Open screen image transfer. One-click calibration of gyroscope. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone, and then push it up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Retreat. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high speed gear. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Enable headless mount. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. Exit headless mode. Long press 1 button to go back. Electric camera adjustment. One-click landing. Short press the light mode switch. Short press the camera button to take a photo. Short press the recording button to start recording. Press again to stop recording. Short press the return button to view files. Enter the folder to view the album. Connect app. First, turn off the remote control image transmission. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the corresponding system app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying.